unable to on that camera.
Okay, no issue. Srikanth, just tell me about your education and project and your skill.
Yeah, actually, I have 3 years of experience in DV. So I mostly on APB and AXI I worked
In
there.
which company?
That is
APB
client is my client is
AXI.
Intel.
Okay, client.
Yeah.
Your client is Intel. Okay. Okay. And 3 years of experience.
Yeah.
Your parent company is?
Parent company
Which one is your
GSV
parent
Talent
company?
Solutions. Yeah. Hyderabad it is.
GSV. Okay, right. Okay. Hi, Nagarjun. Hey, Nagaraju. Hello.
Nagaraju, are you there? Or else I will remove you. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So you are a
Yeah. Hello, Nagaraju. Please.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Can you tell me about your education and your coursework and project which you have completed?
Sir.
Can you tell me?
You are in student, I guess. Then you can skip the meeting. It's for the interview. You can skip the meeting.
Hello.
It is not for you actually.
Okay, okay. Nagarjun, can you?
Yeah,
Hello, Vishesh.
Yeah, hi sir.
Vishesh, can you tell me about your education and project and your relevant coursework or skills which you have?
Yeah. So good evening, sir. I am Vishesh Kumar, currently pursuing my MTech in VLSI design from NIT Hamidpur. I have completed my BTech from KIT University, Bhubaneswar in 2021. My primary skills are Verilog, physical design basics, static timing analysis. I have also a knowledge of digital design and VLSI test and testability. I have done projects on traffic light controller, synchronous FIFO, and carry skip and carry select adders. These adders are basically used to reduce delay and power.
Okay, okay. So we will more have Sudhir. Hello, Sudhir. Hello, D. Sudhir. Okay. Hello, Sudhir. Your voice is not audible. Please unmute yourself, then speak. First, unmute yourself, then speak.
Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, now you are audible.
My name is Sudhir. I am from Elur district. I completed my graduation in Electronics and Communication Engineering. Now I am pursuing MTech in NIT Surathkal in VLSI domain. I done projects in BTech the Content Silver Automata. Now I am doing minor project on some.
You have completed any project in VLSI domain?
Yes, sir. Content.
Okay, you know this.
Yes, sir. Content Silver Automata and yes, I have digital basics.
Okay, you know digital basics. Okay. Hello, Ashish.
Yeah, hello, sir. Sir, currently I am pursuing.
You are there
Yes,
in the
sir.
interview, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Akshaya, and you are there, I remember. So don't need to give an introduction. We will start the interview. Okay. I'm going to start from, okay.
Sir, from me?
Hello. From Akshaya. Hello, Akshaya.
Okay, sir.
Are you there?
Yeah. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, okay, good evening. Akshaya, can you tell me the difference and give me an example of that?
Difference between, sir?
What is the deep copy and shallow copy? What? Can you tell me the difference between what is the deep copy and shallow copy?
No, sir.
Okay, so you don't
I
know.
don't have a
Okay,
clear idea
can
about
you
it.
write okay, can you write a Verilog code for mod 5 counter?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay, take a pen and paper and write it. Okay. And hello Ashish. Can
Yes,
you
sir.
tell me the difference between the deep copy and shallow copy? Okay,
Oh,
give
yes,
me
sir.
with an example and write very small code. Yeah.
Okay, sir. So should I explain first and then I will write?
Write a very. Actually, I think I didn't get it what you have said.
Sir, I am saying that first I will explain theoretically
Okay. Hello,
and then I
Sudhir.
will write the code.
I know about the what is the custom copy method, then what is shallow copy and what is the deep copy.
I don't know about it, sir.
Okay. I tell you what is the custom copy
I didn't
and
go.
what is the shallow copy and deep copy.
I don't know.
Ashish? Just wait 1 minute. Actually, my network has changed. Hello, Sudhir.
Yes, sir. Sir, am I audible?
Make a count. Yeah.
Sir,
How to make a ring counter
ring counter.
and what
I am
what
audible.
counter? Just tell me. Yeah.
Sir.
Just make a 4-bit ring counter. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Take a pen and paper, make a ring counter and tell me the valid states and invalid state and the total number of states in ring counter.
In ring counter, it contains 4 states, sir. When we take as a
it contains 4-bit ring counter.
Yes, sir. 4-bit ring counter. If you start with if you take 1,000 1000.
Listen to me. Hello. Yeah. Sudhir, take a pen paper and draw the whole diagram, and after that write a valid state and invalid state, and take a snap of it that pic and send me on my number. I have written my number in the chat box. Okay.
Sir, input what, sir? Input sequence.
Input sequence you can take 001. 001.
Once
this is the first input here. For initialization, you can take this. Okay.
Once you pin your number.
0001.
Once you pin your.
Yeah, I have pin already. Okay, again I will pin. Hello, Srikanth.
Hi. Hi, Javed.
Yeah, Srikanth. Yeah. Can you tell me the difference between the custom copy method and deep copy and shallow copy? Give me take a pen and paper and write an example and and then I will come to question.
Okay, actually, I think deep copy will be the all properties and methods will copy. Yeah. Okay, I will write a code now.
Just write a logic, not whole code, not every syntax and all. Just to give me the idea and logic. Hello, Ashish.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I have given you something or not?
So you have given me to write some like code stuff for the deep copy and shallow copy.
Yeah, okay. You both have your vision. Hello, Vishesh.
Hi, sir.
Yeah. Vishesh, can you tell me the how you will write the code for traffic light controller?
Traffic light control.
Yeah. What is your strategy which you have to follow for that?
Yes, sir. So, sir, in this, I will use a finite state machine, and I will use different combinations. like red, green,
Like,
red,
can
yellow.
you tell me the difference between, like, what is the finite state machine? What is the finite state machine?
Sir, finite state machine basically is like a machine which holds different states values, and like then it can travel to different state based upon inputs or like the present state. It goes to next
Okay.
state.
So can you take a pen paper and write the difference between like Mealy machine and Moore machine?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Hello, Sudhir.
Yes, sir. I completed, sir. Just posting in WhatsApp.
Okay. Hello, Srikanth.
Yeah, Javed. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah. You can. Are you able to follow that?
That means one second, please.
Actually, are you
Okay,
able to follow that? Like, are you able to write the custom copy method and shallow copy and deep copy method?
Yeah, deep copy, shallow copy, I know. In deep copy, I think in dot copy method we can use. Just pseudocode I am writing. Okay. Just that means in shallow copy only properties
Okay,
of
just write the
parameter will
content.
be
We will come to
copied.
the question.
Okay. Yeah.
Sir, I send it to you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I also send it.
Okay.
Sir, I have also sent it on WhatsApp.
Okay. Sudhir, can you tell me the difference between synchronous counter and asynchronous counter? Can you write the 4 to 5 point on that?
Can I write or else I have to say to you, sir? Can I say to you right now or else I have to write, sir?
You have to write it then.
I have to write. Okay, sir. I will write and post in WhatsApp.
Can you write the difference between? Okay.
Okay, sir.
So Ashish, this is like, okay, you have read for the shallow copy and deep copy.
Yes, sir. Sir, in deep copy, basically all the nested things will be copied
what
as
is
well.
the difference between the deep copy and shallow copy? What is the difference?
Sir, in deep copy, all the nested things will be copied as well. But in shallow copy, the variables and the methods that are not nested and that is only declared in the class will be copied, but not the nested one. Hello, sir. Sir, was I audible?
Your voice is not audible to me. Yeah, now it's audible.
Sir, should I repeat the answer?
Maybe a problem from my end. Yeah, you should have to repeat it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, should I answer?
Yeah, please.
Yes, sir. Sir, in shallow copy, only the methods and the variable that are declared in the class will be copied, but not the nested one. But in deep copy, even the nested things will be also be copied. If is there any class is inherited in that class, then it will also be copied.
Okay. So you know about the handler?
Sir, sister, no, sir. Handler, I don't know.
You don't know the handler. Actually,
No,
handler. When we consider a class instant which is present in an original object, if you copy this class, we get access to an handler. Handler is something like handler is just like duty. Okay, you will
Yes,
connect
sir.
the port in duty as we can connect the port in Verilog code for a dot a, and inside the bracket we will write a. Just like
Yes,
that,
sir.
we will write faster than F1. This is called handler. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
when we
Yes, sir.
copy the when we do the shallow copy, then we will access the handler. That's why the changes are reflected in the object classes also. If we change anything in copied class, then object things changes are reflected in the object classes. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So go through that deep copy and shallow copy and make the clarity about it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Can you tell me the difference between two term just the term president? We have global signal, data signal, and control signal in system very low. Do you know about them?
No, sir.
Um, can you write a code for me which for clock generating a clock whose time period is the clock frequency is 16 megahertz.
16 megahertz.
Yeah. Write in
Yes, sir.
Verilog code for. Okay. Either write in
Uh,
Verilog or maybe you can write in system Verilog, which will generate the clock of 16 megahertz.
okay, sir.
Okay. Please do this.
Sir, I have sent the difference on WhatsApp.
Okay, just wait 1 minute. Akshay, if we come to the else if else if statement like out is less than equal to 4 होगा या only less than 4 होगा?
लेस देन 4 होगा सर, क्योंकि 0 से काउंट करेंगे तो 0 1 2 3 4.
Okay, तो
Sir, you are not audible.
statement. This is doesn't go inside the beginner and
Sir, you were
actually
not.
if a out is less than 4, I am not audible. No.
Now you're audible. Now you're audible, sir.
If
Now.
okay, then out is less than 4. It is not going. Hello.
Yes, sir,
It
you're
is
audible.
going only up to 3. Actually, I'm saying that in else if block, okay, you written that out is less than 4, so it will go only up till 3.
4 states. Yeah. It should be
Yeah,
equal.
so
Less than. Yeah.
okay, please check it. Okay, so can you write a Verilog code for mod like 16 megahertz clock?
Yeah.
Yeah, clock frequency in system Verilog, not in Verilog.
I'll try the system Verilog. I'm not much confident. But I'll try it.
Write in Verilog.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, wish. Okay, do it.
Yeah.
Hello, wish.
Sir, I've sent it.
Hello. Sir, your voice was breaking.
Yes. Can
Sir, you are not audible.
just wait. Let me connect.
Yes, sir. Now it is better.
Hello, now I'm audible? Not.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So, Vishesh, can you tell me the exact number of state in Melee and Moore machine?
Sir, Melee has one less state than Moore.
Actually, you are totally wrong. Okay. Please follow any standard book and you will come to know that your concept is wrong. Okay.
Sir,
Sir, I
Moore
send
has
it to you in WhatsApp.
more number of states. Moore.
Yeah, Moore have no more number of state, but not more like if Melee have n state, then Moore, it is not necessary that Moore should have the n+1 state. Okay, this is the wrong concept. Please go through that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay. So in traffic light controller, you have used how many always black you have used in traffic light controller?
Sir, two always block. One for reset and the other one was a combinational block, which depends on the current state.
Okay, which depends on the current state. So you have not assigned any always block for input output for input output
Sir,
generation.
that traffic light FSM was a cyclic, like it went from one state to another after some particular time. It didn't need any external inputs. It was a Moore FSM, sir. It only depends on the current state and then move to the next state.
Yeah, hello. No,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
audible, no? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah, my network is creating problem. Yeah, so I think you use one always block for reset. Okay, one
Yes,
always
sir.
block for one always block for state assignment. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes.
okay, and one always block for input output relation. No? Like how the your state are transiting from one state to other. So I know that you have to use three always block if you are using Moore. That's why we are using three process machine in Moore machine in traffic light controller. Okay, you have completed this project, but go through that and go in deep inside that. Okay, just write the like how what input I will apply so that it will go from S0 green to red and red to green. Just write that logic for me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, take a pen paper.
Sir, I send it to you in WhatsApp.
Okay, just wait. Yeah, Shrikant, you have sent on WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Only the. Can you your handwriting is not readable for me?
Okay. Yeah. Actually, in deep copy, we can use a dot copy method in system with log.
Okay.
Actually,
Okay,
this
okay.
is a OOPS based concept.
Yeah, yeah. So why in deep copy we have deep copy and shallow copy, and we have one custom copy method. Okay.
Okay.
So what is the difference between deep copy and shallow copy?
Actually, if the parent class and child class is there, suppose
Yeah.
we need complete properties of parent class, that means object methods and all the, then we can use a deep copy.
Okay.
If the only properties of parent class we needed, that time shallow copy, and that time the which one the subclass properties are not copied. And in
Okay.
custom copy, what happened? That means it is a simple copy. That means a new function how we are
Yeah.
creating, like that it is also like custom copy.
Okay, okay. In deep copy, we are creating the independent data member and independent class instance. Okay. So
Actually, Yeah.
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 In deep copy, and in shallow copy we have the common handler for the both the class, like object class and copied class.
Yeah. And
So
in shallow copy, I think a separate memory also needed for that one.
no, in shallow copy we will use the common memory, and in deep copy we have the separate memory.
Okay. Deep
Okay,
copy we use.
that's
Okay.
why in deep copy, if we change the copied class, data member of copied
Okay.
class, then the changes won't be reflect in the object class. Okay, and
Okay.
in shallow copy we have the common handler, so we have the common memory. So common memory assigned to both the classes, a object class and the copied class. So if we change the copied class, so and we have
Okay.
the common handler and common memory, so the changes are reflected into the object class also.
Okay. In shallow copy, that means.
Yeah, in shallow copy. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So I think I will check that point.
Yeah. Can you write that? Can you tell me about the what is the super? Why we use the super keyword?
Yeah. In actually, super keyword is display the parent property. That means parent details. It is used in the child class. So due to this one, we can call the parent class and child class both.
Okay.
Actually, super is mainly for the displaying the parent properties.
Okay. Why we use this keyword?
This keyword means there will be two types. That means local variable and global variable will be also there. So this keyword mainly used to that means that parameter, particularly on that condition. I think. I know. Actually, this will be as a global and local variable. I know, but why it is particularly, I don't know. I have no idea.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. No issue. So we have 1, 2, or more method in system Verilog. You know about the inheritance?
Inheritance. So
Yeah.
inheritance means the child class can access the.
Can you like okay, just tell me. No need to
Okay.
write it.
That means that by using the child class, by using parent handle, it can access the all methods of the parent class.
Okay. So how like which keyword we have to use for the accessing the parent class?
Yeah, accessing the actually in parent class we have the virtual keyword. We are creating a handle for that one, and then we can use that.
Actually,
I think this key.
we will use the extend keyword. Can you write it? Take a pen paper and write it then.
Yeah. Extend keyword.
Yeah. Hello, Ashish.
Yes, sir.
Ashish, can you tell me that like what this is? First thing you have taken mistake like okay, no issue. Time scale 1 nanosecond and 1 picosecond oblique. Okay, what is
Yes, sir.
1 nanosecond and 1 picosecond, and what it will tell?
Sir, 1 nanosecond is the like unit of the time. Like if we are writing has 5, then that means the 5 nanosecond. 5 into 5 unit of 1 nanosecond. So
Okay.
this is the time that we are actually want. And the 1 picosecond is the precision. That how much if there is some deviation or if there is some a value need to be precise, then 1 picosecond will be the precision value.
Okay, precision value. So how
Yes, sir.
many if you write the 1 nanosecond of the 1 picosecond, so how many
Yes, sir.
digits are we valid after the decimal point in this particular case?
Yes, sir.
Just take a pen and paper and calculate it, then tell me. Okay.
Sir, can you come again, sir? Like how many digits after
how many number of digits are valid after the decimal point?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Hello, Akshay. Hello, Akshay and Sudhir.
Yes, sir, I'm sending you the image.
Okay, just send me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so are you able to write that?
Which one, sir?
Actually, I have told you something. No?
Synchronous asynchronous counter, sir.
Yeah.
I return and send it to you.
Okay, just. What is your last digit of your mobile number? Okay. Just yeah. Okay, you got it.
886.
Okay. Actually, if I want the up counter, then how can we arrange the what is the clock? How can we connect the output and clock in asynchronous counter? If I want the up counter and if I want the down counter, then what is my strategy to connect these two points?
Okay, sir. If you want up counter in synchronous counter, sir.
In asynchronous counter.
Asynchronous counter. We have to keep one logic here, sir. After output, based upon the if Q bar is connected to negative edge of the negative edge trigger like that, then Q bar minus into minus, it goes to plus. It means it is a down counter. Then we have to replace output as if Q3, Q2, Q1. If it is a 5, if it is a 5, then we have to choose like 101 normally in up counter. In down counter, we have to change like 010, and it is like a connect Q3 bar, Q2, and Q1 bar to AND gate and to the preset, and all clear should be connected to 0.
Okay. Sudhir, why are you not starting Verilog yet?
I started Verilog, sir, but I didn't start system Verilog.
Okay, so you know Verilog?
Yes, sir.
Okay, little bit you know. Can you tell me the difference between reg and wire?
Reg is nothing but it is storage, sir. Wire is it's a connection between two registers like that.
Okay. So the reg is work for as a storage. Okay, so how it is physical storage, like we have register, like as we have in particular like P4 register, C4 register and all. So it is a register, or it is we only say that register as a register to it.
What, sir? Again, please.
Actually, reg is used for like non-blocking.
Blocking is used in combination circuit mainly, and non-blocking is used in sequential circuit.
So we will use the reg for if we have the always block, then we should use the reg.
Yes, sir, because it stores the element of the previous output.
Just listen to me. If we have not have any sensitivity list inside the always block, then what happened to the reg?
Not sensitivity means always block will check based upon the sensitivity changes only, sir.
If we don't have any sensitivity list inside the always, okay,
sir.
Always at the rate we don't have any sensitivity list and don't have any sensitivity, then what happened to the reg?
Register is stored as X as a default value.
The default value, or whatever value we have provided, then it will have the only that value.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you write a simple code for D flip-flop?
D flip-flop.
Yeah.
Module. Can I write?
Write and send to me. Okay. Hello, Vishesh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you haven't defined any delay in that code. Why?
Sir, I have used that count variable.
Okay, but we have to define some delay also, no? Inside the state, like we are taking delay like red to green or green to yellow, some delay.
Yes, sir. Like count will be used as a temporary register, and like after some particular delay,
I understand what you have written. Okay, but why you are not define any delay? After taking some delay, we will move to some other state, no? Actually, I haven't seen any traffic light controller which don't count for, at least it will count 2 minutes or something like that. But you should apply some delay inside that, no? After some delay, it will move from one state to another state.
Sir, delay as in which method?
Actually, I want to use one thing that to go through the traffic light controller project once again. Okay.
Sir, delay like that hashtag.
No. We will define the delay earlier, like in parameter red to green delay 2 nanosecond or 3 nanosecond. Then we will use repeat at the rate y2r delay and other delay. Then we will complete that project.
Yes, sir. Like I have used that count itself. After count goes to 3 seconds or 6 seconds, then it will automatically change to next state. Like it doesn't depend on any other.
You are taking only 3 states, no? So one state is green. Let's suppose one state is green, then second is yellow, then other is red. So where is the delay state? After the delay, we will completing the delay. We will reach some state, no?
Sir, like both will be yellow. That S2 S1 state.
Can you draw the state diagram for the traffic light controller for me, which you have used here?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Vishwas, are you able to follow that or not?
Yes, sir. I am drawing the FSM, which I have.
Okay. Yeah, Ashish.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to follow that or not?
Yes, sir. Sir, you told me to find that how much after decimal it will store.
Yeah. Number of digit valid after the decimal point. Okay.
Yes.
That is how we can conclude. Okay. Yeah. Hello, Shrikant.
Sir.
Yeah.
I was.
Yeah, Ashish.
Sir, I'm not sure about the answer, sir. Sir.
Okay.
Actually, I'm not sure about the answer.
Okay, no issue. I'm giving you the.
Sir, I sent it to you WhatsApp.
Okay, just wait 1 minute. Okay.
Sir, will it work if we write?
Ashish, just leave it. We will talk about it later. Actually, can you tell me the difference between 8? Like I have written something in chat box. Just see it. What?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. So these two numbers.
Just 1 minute. I'm writing. What is the difference between 8-bit and bit 7 down to 0?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, what is the difference between these two in system Verilog? Okay, hello, Shrikant.
I
have given written in chat box. Ashish, you please watch it. Like, what is the difference between 8-bit and bit 7 down to 0?
Sir, I should speak orally now.
Yeah, you should speak orally.
Yes, sir. Sir, the bit 7 is to 0. Sir, is the it is sir vector, and it will start in horizontally from 7 to 0 with index, and the 8-bit is like be considered as a bit of having 8 size.
Okay. And bit, what is about the bit?
Yes, sir.
Bit,
sir,
8-bit is a fine bit. So can you write the range for both 8-bit and bit 7 down to 0?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, write the range for. But like 8-bit, the number of digit range from the for the 8-bit and number of the range for the bit 7 down to 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Deep, can you write a
Sir,
code for me for mux 2 cross 1? Okay.
In conditional statement, sir.
Yeah, in conditional one line statement.
Sn out is equals to less than or equal to input S1 is to S0. Question mark S1 is to S0.
Okay, so if I will increase the like if I have to write the mux code for mux n cross 1 mux.
Again,
So
sir.
how, if I need to write the one variable of code for n cross 1 mux,
N cross 1 mux.
yeah, how can we write that?
N we have to define by parameter.
Okay. Then after, how can you write it? Ashish, it is like minus 2 to the power n minus 1, 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1. That is minus 128 to 127. Hello, Ashish. You are mute.
sorry,
You
sir.
are,
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
yeah.
Sudhir,
Okay,
turn on the camera. Sudhir, turn on the camera. And Akshay, you can also do.
Okay, so what is the advantage of sign and unsign? Can you tell me the advantage that which we have to provide?
Sir, it depends upon the applications. In case we sometimes we need to consider the sign, and if we sorry, let me think.
Okay. So Srikant,
Yeah.
yeah, I have given you something. No, so can you explain it? What is this?
That code, no?
Yeah, that code.
Yeah. So initially that one parent class I am taking.
Yeah.
So in parent class, that is the address and data I'm that means declared.
Okay,
So
okay.
let a function display I'm in parent class. That is the one parent class completion.
Okay.
Next, I can use a child class that will be
Okay.
extends from parent. So after that, that class also completed. Parent class and child class. Now
Okay,
I can use the module. So here I am allocating the memory. That means parent equal to new and child equal to c equal to new. That means handle and memory allocating. So after that, by using child class handle, I can call both parent and child class. That means
Okay.
what happened,
Yeah.
the child class can access the or inheritance the properties of the parent class. That means it inherits the
Basically, you are saying that now here we are accessing the member that we have we have in extended class and which we are not available the original class like in parent class,
Yeah.
and we can also access the member of data member of child classes.
Child
So
class, yeah.
how this is different from the polymorphism?
Yeah, in polymorphism, what happened? The parent class can access. That means it can have a different handles. By using that different class handles, the parent can execute the output. That means poly means many, and morphism means changes. That means parent can have changes. And here the legal one is the parent equal to child. That is the legal one in polymorphism. And child equal c equal to p, that will not equal in polymorphism. That is illegal one. And next in polymorphism, we can use the virtual keyword in parent class compulsory. And remaining child classes, we can use function or virtual function, no problem. That will be there.
Okay.
And you told us that is super keyword. In super
Yeah.
keyword, we can use in the parent class, child class.
Within child class, so that we will, the super keyword basically we are using that if we have the same argument and data member, so
Okay.
in the class, so by using the super keyword we can differentiate between the parent class and child classes. In child classes we will use the super keyword.
Okay. That means can we use super keyword in inheritance? That means in inheritance.
Inheritance, actually we will use these two like a super keyword to differentiate between the child class and parent class. So
Okay.
actually I haven't used the super class in inheritance till now, but
Okay. Yeah.
actually super keyword is basically used if we are having the same function, okay, same custom constructor. So
Okay.
if you just use it and see that what happens. Yeah. Just write a program in EDA playground and check it. I
Okay.
think it will work. Okay.
Okay.
If we put some custom constructor inside the parent class and inside the child classes, and for the different, we may tell them that this is the child class. We have to use the super keyword.
Okay.
Okay.
So I will check once in EDA. Yeah.
Yeah. In EDA playground, we have to check it. Okay.
Okay.
So can you write a program for me? Okay. So I want to just so just wait. I'm giving you one program.
Okay.
Okay. Can you tell me the difference between static array and dynamic array?
Which one? Dynamic array and associative array.
Static array and dynamic array. Like, we have two type array, no?
Okay. Static
Unique
array and dynamic. Unique array.
we have
Actually,
a unique array, repetitive array, and default value array, and uninitialized array. Okay, tell me the
okay.
difference between all. Like write a logic and send me, then I will see and we will come across questions.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Hello, Ashish, you have sent. So, Ashish, can you
Yes,
tell me
sir.
the difference between the if we have queue, okay,
Yes, sir.
write a system variable code for queue, okay. You have to
Yes, sir.
you have to first randomize, okay,
Yes,
for
sir.
a digit, okay. First
Oh, yes, sir.
randomize, then you have to enter some like a push some particular index, okay,
Yes, sir.
push some data in particular index and pop some data from particular index and delete some data from particular index. Do these three operation in that.
Okay, sir. Sir, I will try, but sir, actually, I haven't covered the system variable part. I
Okay,
am
okay.
limited. Means I currently I am doing the module of computer architecture. So,
Okay,
like,
computer
but I
architecture.
can try.
Which module you are doing right now?
Sir, the computer architecture part. I'm doing,
Which
sir.
one? Which topic have you covered in the architecture?
Uh, Sir, the pipelining
Okay,
things
pipeline.
where I'm doing.
Okay,
So
okay,
actually, I'm doing some projects on of college from 1 week, so I haven't read it. I haven't studied the part.
okay,
So
okay.
for 1 week earlier, I was.
Can you write the write the stages in 5 stage pipeline? Just write.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Okay, then send it, and we will come across the question. Hello, Akshaya.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Akshaya, can you explain that what you have written like detailed actually?
What, sir?
Can you explain your code?
Yeah. We are considering total clock period as 16 and time scale as 1 milliseconds per 1 picoseconds. So that clock period will be divided by 2. So always block will be triggered when you get a positive age of 2. Usually for test bench we are using this in Verilog.
Have you checked it? Actually, I'm not getting it and not come across this thing. Check in ADF playground after the interview.
Okay.
Okay, and show me that what is this. I didn't get it. Have you gone through the computer architecture?
CO, I have gone through it only basics, sir. Like you asking one question about pipelining 5 stages. That we have not covered.
So what you have covered in architecture?
Basics things we have covered.
Basics. So just give some particular name of that those basic things.
What is pipelining and all those things.
So you are saying that I'm not about the pipeline.
No, just what is pipelining I know, but that complete stages that I can't explain in detail.
So, okay. Can you tell me the difference between the pass by value and pass by reference?
Pass by value. Pass by value.
Okay, in system Verilog and in C programming, call by value, call by reference.
The contents will be. Sir, in call by value, we are directly accessing the variable, whereas in reference, it will be copied from that respective variable, actual variable.
Okay. Okay. So can you write a code for me, like for call by value and call by reference?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I write a simple code. Hello, Vishesh.
Yes, sir.
Have you gone through the computer architecture?
No, sir. I have not done yet architecture.
Okay, you have not done yet architecture, and also you haven't done the system builder, no?
No, sir.
So for only you have covered till now only Verilog part.
Sir, Verilog, STA, and like I have started physical design basics.
Okay, STA. So draw the timing diagram for time boring concept.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Ashish. First
Yes, sir.
thing in state number 5, memory access. You have why are you doing mistake in writing access?
What, sir?
ACCESS.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell me what is the pipelining?
Sir, pipelining is a method in which we execute a process, means threads of different processes, different instruction at a single time in a single clock.
In a single clock. Okay. So let's suppose let's give me 1 minute. So let's suppose we have. Do you know about the? Okay. Write one statement.
Yes, sir.
LWR10 inside a.
LW.
You know about the one program what we call. Actually, what we call programming is assembly program. Yeah, you know assembly.
Yes, sir. Assembly language.
Okay, you know or not?
Sir, I have ID. Yes, sir. I have ID.
Okay. Write the load word. Load LWR1.
Yes, sir.
Comma 0 inside the bracket R2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
second SUB subtract R4 comma R1 comma R6.
R4 comma.
R1, R6.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So can you tell me what is the like problem we will face in this particular assembly language code? If we have a position of pointer is PC in LW, and after that we will going to execute the second statement.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So in load you have to tell with the register R2.
Yeah.
And okay, sir. And CV R4, R1, and R6.
Yeah. R4, R1, and R6.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hello, Sudhir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Sudhir, can you make a circuit diagram using digital Verilog, your knowledge of digital Verilog, for F by 3 circuit, F by 3 frequency. Actually, we will giving a F frequency as an input, okay, and I want to F by 3 frequency as an output.
F by 3.
Yeah, just try it.
Digital circuit, sir.
Yeah. Actually, if we give a frequency to any flip flop, okay, so it will give a F by 2
Yes, sir. By
generally.
toggling.
So,
T is equals
yeah,
to.
by toggling. If I want to F by 3 frequency, then what will our approach? Just use your brain and try to find the answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Hello, Srikant. Yeah.
Actually,
Explain the code.
okay. In static array means, I think before in compilation we can allocate. That means it is a fixed. That means array of 10. It is a fixed size. That means a packed array. It is a. In dynamic array means we can allocate memory in runtime also, and we can change the size or modify the array size in runtime also. Dynamic array. And associative array will be the for large memories it will be used, and it will be indicated with the index formats.
Okay.
So that is associative array. And another thing, I think logical array you asked
No.
me.
I
Logic.
ask uninitialized array.
Okay, uninitialized array.
Yeah.
Okay. Uninitialized array means that means before compilation it will be taken. Uninitialized array. No, I think I don't know that thing.
Actually, if I will write logic, then array,
Okay.
then bracket 5, then semicolon. So if I will display this array, okay. So what
Okay.
will I will get as an output?
First one array.
Logic, then array,
Oh,
then inside the bracket 5, then semicolon.
oh,
And then I
okay.
will write some code for printing that particular array. Then what will be the output?
Okay.
Yeah.
Logic array we are using. Mm,
You are able to follow that this is an initialized array.
yeah,
Yeah.
I
So
think some error will be there.
no, actually,
Where,
you know about the logic or not? What is the logic?
logic I know. Yeah, actually, RAID type it is also like a RAID. Logic we can use as an input and output in mod ports. We are using that one as an input and output thing also. Logic.
Actually, how many stages are state in logic?
Um, Logic we have two states. That means 0 and 1.
No. In logic, we have the 4 state. In bit, we have the 2 state.
Okay, 0, 1, X and Z.
Yeah, X and
Four
Z,
state
and the
variable. Four state
and the
variable.
yeah 4 state value, and default value of
State
logic
variable.
is like X.
Okay.
Okay, so we will
Yeah.
get the 5x. Okay, if I have
Okay.
the bit in the if I will replace the logic with the bit, then what will we get?
Bit array it will print. That means it is a values will be occurs 2 power 6. Values will be occurs there.
No. I will write
From,
the bit in place of logic bit array then 5. Then what is the
okay.
output?
Um, Bit array and 5. 5 down to 0 is not there, no? Only bit array dot 5.
Only bit array and 5, not down to 0.
Okay, bit array 5. No, it will not do that one. Bit array dot 5. Logic array 5 we can do.
Okay,
But
okay,
bit,
okay. No issue, no issue, no issue.
yeah.
Sir,
Leave that. Okay. Hello, hello, Vishesh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Vishesh, I didn't get it. What you have written? Can you explain it?
Yes, sir. Sir, here if we are using two flip-flops which work on different clocks, like clock 1 and clock 2, then let's say like the flip-flop 2 will have to get data at time equal to 5 seconds. But the data comes a little late, here 8 seconds. So then the flip-flop won't be able to capture the data. But if we use the latch instead of a flip-flop in the second one, then latch would be active for a more amount of time. Let's say when it is active on positive level from 5 to 10 seconds, so latch will be easily able to capture the data.
Actually, I want you to go through that concept of time borrowing again. Okay, basically we have that two flip-flop. Okay, flip-flop A and flip-flop B, and if we have the timing issue, okay, so we will use the negative latch flip-flop, negative edge level latch, that so that we will use that. Okay, we will borrow the time from the negative edge. Okay.
Yes, sir. We can also use latches, sir. Like we are borrowing time, like instead of flip-flops.
Negative, we will use the negative edge latch. Okay. Basically, actually, in industry, you have to very specific and you have to told that what everyone can understand. Okay, not be use very complex term and complex thing. Maybe so keep it as simple as possible.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. So hello, Akshay.
Yes, sir, I have sent you. Yeah.
Okay, okay. This is Colway value or Colway reference?
First one is value, and next two images I have sent.
Okay, okay. This is. Okay. So this will pen 2 and it. Okay.
First, I took multiplication of 1 with 2, so there will be no difference. So.
Okay. Then. Okay, then what happens if we use call by reference and how can we do that?
For output, it will if we are doing any other module, any other function using the same function, then whatever changes we have made, that argument changes will not be reflected or value.
Okay, so we will use for reference whenever you come across the word reference. Reference is meaning that we are taking reference, like we are not taking the value, we are taking reference. Reference means address. We are going to that particular address and it will tell me the address, and that address we have the value. Okay, so we are changing the value of that address. Okay, so go through that in 1 second and then you can. Okay, if you don't have the space, like if you are facing the problem in C program, just let me know. I will suggest you very good lecture on C programming, like 4 to 10 hours, and then you will feel very comfortable on that particular.
Sir, this was not C program, normal or system level.
I know, but C programming is the backbone of every language. Okay. In my case, I have facing the same problem again and again, and I'm not able to learn a very long, very in good way. And after that, so I'm facing the problem again. I will forget then what is happening, sir. Then I will explain it approx 100 hour in C language. 100 hour. Okay. Then only I can come to know that I will feel the confidence is very low, then system very low, then VM. Okay. And even though the assembly programming. Okay, so first
Assembly
go slowly.
programming, I have studied microprocessor module. I have studied. Rajat sir have shared that.
Okay. So in assembly programming, you have to learn for which processor?
8086.
8086, only 8086. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you do for the some advanced processor like ARM7 Pentium, then it will help you more. Okay.
Okay. Sir,
Okay.
actually, I wanted. Okay.
Actually, we don't have the license for that particular debugger, and inside the debugger, if we debug the code, then it will show the assembly code, like how this code is going to work. Actually, those are used only in industry. Okay, even the best of colleges, IITs also don't have this type of software inside that. Actually, they are very costly. Also, people don't know that how to do that, like how to debug the code. Okay, so there you will know that how to use the assembly programming. If you are actually in one cycle we will execute millions of instructions. If you are able to merge two instruction in one in able to merge two instruction in one instruction, so you will have, like, you will increase the performance. So here we will use the assembly programming. Okay. So Ashish, are you able to answer that question or not?
Yes, sir. Sir, I think the R1 and R6 do not have any value that will create the problem.
Actually, values. Okay. So actually, those concepts are very not easy to answer you at that point. You know about the forwarding and bypassing branch prediction algorithm. If
No,
you know
sir.
those, so that you are not in the condition of giving the answer. Okay. Hello, Srikant.
Excuse me,
Hello.
sir.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Okay, so are you so go to that basic thing. Actually, I'm interested in
Okay.
last thing. Okay,
Uh,
so
yeah.
all of you have any question, then ask me. Otherwise, for today, it is enough for today.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Um, sir, bypassing and what you have told?
branch prediction, forwarding, bypassing, stalling.
Okay, sir. And sir, I will find it in microprocessor module.
No, in computer architecture, if you go through the honor mode to like one processor from the Carnegie Mellon University. Okay,
Hmm.
so then only you will. It is very tough course actually. I want you to also to go through the small module.
Yes, sir.
First make the crystal clarity concept in your basic skills like very low system development. Then go
Yes,
to
sir.
the deep inside the computer architecture.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So actually, if you do, actually they don't know, like, they don't expect that you should know about these high level concepts. So first get comfortable in your basic skills which are required in the industry. Then we'll move to in those particular areas. Okay?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
So any other thing, any other one, someone else want to ask anything?
Sir,
Yeah,
sir,
yeah.
if
Yes,
I
sir.
if I construct mod 3 counter by synchronous up counter like that, it is also divided by F3 only, sir. Up
So how
counter.
can you divide it? No, that's the question. No?
Yes, sir. Mod 3 count is also, it contains only 3 states. That's why if input frequency is F, then output frequency will be F by 3 only, no, sir.
So how can you achieve the F by 3? No? That's the main question. No?
Yes, sir. By connecting up counter like this, if we connected up counter, then 1 1 we construct like a Q and QB connected with the AND gate and connected to preset, then it will be get it, no, sir.
Actually, there is a very small trick inside it, and if you gone through any if you not getting it, then tell me. Just Google it. You will get to know very small trick. Don't need to go
As
with
my
very.
approach is correct or wrong, just say, sir. It means I am saying that.
Actually, if you want to check your approach, so you have to draw the timing diagram. Okay, then you will
Yes.
get to know that either you are getting the duty cycle is 50% or not. Okay, your duty cycle is 50%, then it's okay, and otherwise you have to improve your method.
Okay, sir.
Do you know now the duty cycle? What is the duty cycle?
T1 by T1 plus TR followed, sir.
Yeah. Duty cycle is actually if you give the answer, then the second question they will ask that how can we achieve the duty cycle 50%?
Okay.
Okay. So anyone else have any question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I have one more question. Sir, you told me to find that how many digits will it will consider after decimal point.
Okay.
Sir,
So
yes,
we
can
have
you guide me?
like we have 1 nanosecond oblique 1 picosecond. So 1 nanosecond is equal to 10 to the power 9 upon 1 picosecond is equal to 10 to the power how many digits are there?
12.
Minus 12. Okay. So
Yes,
we
sir.
will get 10 to the power 3. Okay. After
Okay, sir.
dividing 10 to the power minus 9 upon 10 to the power minus 12, we will get 10 to the power 3. So the power 3 is the valid digit after decimal. So we will have the 3 valid digit after decimal. So if we have the 10 to the power 10.012, so up
Yes,
to
sir.
012, it will
Consider.
it will reflect the changes in the wave diagram. Okay.
Okay, sir. Hmm.
Okay, after that, if we have that 0.123.54 or 5, so it will simply discard the last digit, and according to the like if it is greater than 5, so it will increase the last digit by 1, or it will less than 5, then it will remain the same. Okay, so
Okay,
it will
yes, sir.
reflect changes up to that. Okay, so any other question?
No, sir.
Okay, so I think it is enough for today, and start from the basic Akshay you and Srikant revise the basic concept also, and Vishesh you also. Sudhir increase your pace and speed. So after that we will come across the good question and ask. You have to prepare for interview also. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye.
And sir,
Yeah.
like, have you given me suggestion? I didn't notice it.
I'm telling you, just do your work. Actually, don't be afraid and go slowly.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
if
sir.
you need any help, just ping me anytime. There is
Okay, sir.
Sir,
And
basic.
yeah. One by one ask. No issue.
Sir, you told basics. So basics of system Verilog or C.
Actually, if you are going to any coding, okay. So first you have to improve your C programming, then move to the Verilog, then system Verilog, then whatever coding you can choose. C programming is must. I personally feel it, and every individual have their own part, so no issue. But I personally feel I will read the very low for 2-3 times, but every time I forget then what is happening inside that. First, then I will study very C programming for 100 hours. Okay, then only I will understand then what is happening inside that. Okay. So after that, before starting the system Verilog, you have to have the good understanding of the OOPS concept. Okay, why we are using OOPS and why we are not using any other programming language. What is the difference between OOPS and POOPS? Okay, we have like two programming. So after that, you have to come across the four pillar of polymorphism, inheritance, and we have abstraction, and one more concept is there. So then only you have to move the system variable. Okay, do it and just ping me if you have any problem. And Sri can revise your basics, okay, and what
Okay.
project
Okay.
you have completed, okay, and you
Okay.
should able
Yeah.
to explain your project very well, like what is the PBXI, XI like for AMBA, and also if you get the time, then study the PCI also. PCI is very important for the industry knowledge.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay then. Bye. Good night.